Hello everyone. In today's video we will look at the process of creating CloudWatch alarms for EC2 instances. So I have two EC2 instances running in front of me. One is named as Web Server 3, which is a T2 micro instance and which is shut down. The other is Web Server 4. I have named it as Web Server 4. It's in running state and the instance type is T2.micro, and I don't have any alarm set up for this. So let's see how we can set up alarms, CloudWatch alarms for it. Okay, so we'll go to actions, click on monitor and troubleshoot, and manage CloudWatch alarms. So there are two options that we get. One is create an alarm and next is edit an alarm. So I don't have anything to edit for now, so I will click on create an alarm. Now next is, do you want an alarm notification? What happens when, do you want to be notified when this alarm is triggered? I will say I can make it as no as well, but I will say yes. And I need to have a SNS topic. I have one, so I will put it as, I will use that SNS topic. Okay. Next is, do you want an action? What do you want to do when this alarm is triggered? For EC2, do you want to recover the EC2 instance? Do you want the EC2 instance to reboot? You want it to stop or terminate? For now I will say to stop. I want the instance to stop when this alarm triggers as a result of this alarm. Okay. Next is, what is the alarm thresholds? So I want average. Now I can look at what all the data is there. So I can trigger an alarm for CPU utilization, disk related metrics, disk related bytes, network related metrics, CPU credit usage, CPU credit balance, and status check as well. Okay, so we have all this data that is available that I can use for triggering an alarm. Okay, so I will say CPU utilization. Now what should be my condition for a CPU utilization? I will say that when the CPU utilization is less than 0.99%. So I'm saying check the average CPU utilization, and when the average CPU utilization is less than 0.99% for 5 minutes. Okay, and check only once, consecutive period is once. Yeah, so this is my condition for the alarm thresholds, and this is the alarm name, and I will click on create. Okay, so the alarm has got created now. The instance has just started and it will just start getting data. So this is the alarm. It should be less than actually 0.99. Okay, so now let's look at CloudWatch. So I am at CloudWatch console now. What are the alarms I have? So this is the alarm that I created. Okay, but it says it's insufficient data. Why it's insufficient data? Because I have just started the instance. Okay, now I will again go back to my EC2. Okay, so now I have one instance in alarm state. Let's see what is the alarm here. Now this is an instance in alarm. Now the utilization is less than 1%, it is at 0.99, and my alarm has got triggered. Okay, but did my instance shut down? Let's see. No, my instance did not shut down, because I think when I created this alarm, somehow the action did not got triggered. Okay, what is the alarm action? That didn't get triggered. See, here also it says no actions. Okay, so I might have missed something, but if there was an action to it, the instance would have shut down. So I missed something there. So that's not a problem. What I will do, I will go here, I will say all alarms, and I will just actions, I will say delete this. So I'm going to delete this particular alarm for now, okay, and I will go and create it again. So for now I don't have any alarm here. I will again go back and click actions, click on monitor and troubleshoot and manage CloudWatch alarms. Okay, I will create it in the similar way. I will choose an alarm notification, which will be this alarm action. Yes, I want an alarm action. I want the instance to stop. Okay, same average CPU utilization less than equal to this for 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm saying alarm action is stop. This is my notification. I will say create. So now I've created this this alert again. Now let me go back and look in the CloudWatch matrix. Yes, so now I have this enabled. Okay, so it is saying that my SNS topic doesn't work, so which is fine. That is that I can always take care. But for now I'm saying that whenever it is there, just shut down the database, the server, sorry. It's in an alarm. Let's see what happens now. Yes, so if you look at it, my alarm got triggered and my instance is stopped now. Okay, so in this way we can use CloudWatch monitoring to disable or have some remediation action, or specify some actions based on the alerts that we have set. Alright guys, so yeah, this was about it, and we saw that how we can create in first instance we created an alarm and it got triggered, and there due to some reason the instance action was not triggered, but the alarm got triggered based on the condition that we have specified. Okay, and the next was that we modified it and again created an alarm, and based on that action my web server, my EC2 instance has stopped. Okay, so I can again start my instance. Yeah, so it will come up in a while. And meanwhile I can delete this alarm if I want. Otherwise I can go here and say action new. Do you want an action? You can also disable the action. So what I have done is now I have disabled the action. So if the utilization is down for 5 minutes, my this instance will not shut down. Alright, so I can also edit from here as well. It's the same configuration. I have connected from there, but we can do the same things from here as well. Okay, so I can create a new topic, use an existing alarm topic. Yeah, so I can also have an auto scaling action, stop instance, whatever I've defined from there I can actually set it from here as well. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can create these CloudWatch alarms for EC2. Thank you, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.